I'm going to use these 2 1/4 PVC trim screws, and I'm actually going to put some into this board to start. Because of the stairs, it's going to be difficult to hold it, so I want to have something to hold on to, and I think this will work pretty good. I'll do one in the middle here. I'm going to measure it just so it looks decent. 14 1/4. Is that center, I wonder? That's pretty good. Okay, before I throw this piece in, I'm just gonna run a bead of silicone up here. I'm gonna use plenty. Run it all the way down under that door. All right, so I'm gonna very carefully try and sneak this in here without messing this up. I don't want to scratch it on the stairs. There we go. Pull it up. I just want to make sure this is lined up on both ends. It's going straight down here. Make sure it's tucked up in there. Like that. I can put my screw in carefully. Not going to go crazy on that yet. And make sure the other side's good as well. As you can see, I messed up right here. I didn't account for this railing, so I can't get that screw in right now. I'll do something in a minute, but I will secure it with this one over here. So I'm just going to make sure it's up nice and tight. And that's okay if that silicone's pouring out. I can fix that later. That's actually a good sign that it's sealed. And then tighten this screw. And I'm just barely gonna sink the head in. Something like that. I'll sink this head in on the way. Just a little more. Good. Clean up that silicone. Nice. So now this one. I got to get this screw out of here to start, and I don't have my right angle attachment. So I'm gonna make it work. Just use this bit and some needle nose pliers to get the screw out of here. Okay. And now I really don't want to put another hole in this, like say I did it right here. I could fill that, but I'm just going to put it in at a slight angle and hope that it sinks in and looks halfway decent. Make sure that's tight up there. That's good. That looks good to me. Clean up this silicone. Nice. Now I'm going to put another screw directly under, as close as I can to the stairs, and as straight as I can, right on the bottom here. Cool. Love that sound. It means I hit something solid. Okay, now I'm just gonna run my finger against here, make sure I got all that silicone cleaned up. Shouldn't have gone out that far, but